We are shoving off! It's gonna be a good time. You filming? All right, let's make something happen. Oh, there's already a line. Ooh, we got a Golf R right there. Oh wait, no, that's a Golf with the Pretoria wheels. I like that thing. See that Golf right there? That's super clean. That's like perfectly lowered for me. I like that.
Yeah, this thing's a fucking monster truck compared to
I know. Yeah, that'll happen. All right.
Let's get it.
Got all these nice soccer players. That camera's gonna bounce around a little bit. I'm just gonna warn you that. We're going on the highway. We're gonna start this thing off real nice. It's gonna be a good time. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We have Matthew and Jim in the Mazda right in front of us. It was an arm and a leg to catch up to them because they like to dart around traffic, but we're going pretty fast, huh? Is it like 85 right now? 90. Got a 350Z with some beautiful fitment back there. We got Matt, and of course we have the mountains and a slow Subaru Outback in front of us. But that's okay. It's not about speed today.
Yeah, it is.
It kind of is. I kind of want to like pass them all, but okay.